see. Tomorrow, we'll be in Venice.
I'll take the first watch, so you can all rest.
Good night, Top Hat. Wake me up when it's my turn.
Stay on course, Flat Hat, and if you don't know which way to go, just ask.
Good night.
Here's the great Captain Top Hat aboard his transatlantic liner. Okay, Pio, cut it out. Huh? What? Hey, that's the Cristoforo Colombo, the ship we were supposed to take to Venice. Lend me a magnet, nameless.
Hey, Top Hat, why didn't you wake me up? I don't believe it. We've reached Venice.
Venice? How did we get here so fast?
While I was at the wheel, I saw the Cristoforo Colombo on the horizon. I put up the spinnaker, and in 5 minutes I had caught up with it. Then I borrowed a magnet from Nameless, and the rest was a piece of cake.
So we're arriving in Venice together with the Cristoforo Colombo, and there'll be no need to explain anything to Granny.
Attention passengers, we will be docking in the port of Venice as scheduled tomorrow.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes!
All right, let's drop anchor. Venice can't wait.
Let's dock and continue on foot. Hop!
This is the house where the great explorer Marco Polo lived. Let's go inside.
But I'd rather go shopping downtown.
Tomorrow, Diva, Granny might see us. Here we are in the attic. Let's take a look around. The best things are always found in attics.
Look, there are books here, too. There's sure to be a copy of the Travels of Marco Polo.
I prefer the pretty Chinese hats.
Here it is. I found it. In this book, Marco Polo describes his journey to China.
Now, let's see how I look. Where's the mirror? Oh, there it is. Hey, there's no glass in this mirror. How can I see if the hat looks good on me?
What just happened?
It looks like you fell through a loose floorboard, Peel. Huh? What on earth are these?
Let me see. My goodness, I do believe these are the gold tablets of the great Kublai Khan.
Who?
Well, come here and I'll explain. During their journey to China, Niccolo and Matteo Polo met the... and Niccolo was Marco Polo's father and Matteo was his uncle. During their journey, they met the great Kublai Khan, Lord of the Tartars and Emperor of China. When they left, Kublai Khan gave them these tablets, which provided them with safe conduct throughout the entire Chinese Empire.
Wait a minute. These tablets have a familiar shape. Let me try something.
Be careful, Diva. You don't know if that's safe.
Oh, Moby, don't be such a worrywart.
We're going to have to follow her. We can't leave her on her own.
All right. Where are we?
Maybe the 4 tablets provided more than safe conduct. Maybe they were also a fast way to travel through space.
Not only through space, Moby, but also through time. Look over there.
Okay, I've seen more than enough. Let's go back.
Good idea, Peel. Let's go back.
Good morning. My name is Alexander, but my friends call me Alex, or they used to till I lost all my friends.
Don't worry, you'll make new friends.
That's impossible.
What do you mean it's impossible?
I'll tell you the whole story. About a year ago, I left that castle, which was my home, because I wanted to learn more about the world. My dragon friends insisted that I should stay, but I left anyway. After a few days, I met another dragon. We greeted each other in the normal dragon way. It was the first time I'd ever seen a dragon spitting blue fire, but I didn't pay any attention to that, and I continued on my way. Well, to make a long story short, I met two more dragons and greeted both of them in the normal dragon way. One was spitting yellow fire, and the other was spitting green fire.
I don't get it. Why are you sad?
Before returning to the castle, I opened my mouth and...
I still don't get it.
As soon as my friends learned about the rainbow of colors coming out of my mouth, they made me leave the castle. And they cast a spell on me.
And that means?
That means I've completely lost my ability to spit fire.
Big deal. None of us can spit fire either, and we're not losing any sleep over it. All right, let's get back to Venice.
Diva, how can you behave like this? He's a dragon, and spitting fire is important for him.
We might be able to give you a hand to break the spell.
Okay, fine, but we'd better be done before the shops close.
First of all, we have to go to the Crow Witch's cave and get our hands on her witchcraft handbook.
So where is this witchcraft handbook?
It's in a safe place, hanging from the witch's neck.
Hanging from her neck? Let's go back to Venice.
Don't you worry. The witchcraft handbook will be in our paws in no time. And since I'm a skilled fisherman, I'll use this fishing rod to slip the handbook off her neck.
Higher, Top Hat.
Further.
More to the right.
Nowhere, more to the left.
I'm not sure you get the point here, Top Hat. You're supposed to be hooking the handbook, not rearranging the witch's furniture.
Hey, look at that, Nameless. That chick looks like you. Nameless, what do you think you're doing? Get away from there. Okay, that's it. Come back.
To break the spell, you must catch the fire that comes out of the mouth of one of the dragons in the castle. And then place it at the end of a rainbow.
That's all? No mountains to move while we're at it? I'm off. The shops will be closing soon.
But Diva...
All right, fine. I'll give you 1 more hour.
Okay, first we have to catch the fire that comes out of the mouth of one of the dragons in the castle.
And where do we put it? Into a box?
Nameless has an idea.
He had an idea, but it got blown out.
No, Diva. Nameless is a genius. His idea is to use a candle to carry the dragon's fire.
Oh, yeah? How?
The dragon will spit his fire on the candle will light, and then...
We'll carry the dragon's fire away.
Yes, but how will we persuade the dragon to light the candle?
We'll figure that out later. Let's get going. Alex, wait for us here. Just as I was hoping. Put the candle near the fireplace. Nameless, you come with me. Now turn it on.
Oh, it's awfully chilly in here. I'd better light a fire in the fireplace.
Grab the candle and let's go.
Now, let's carry the fire to the end of the rainbow.
Oh, sure. That'll be easy.
We're not gonna find a rainbow unless it rains.
Hey, Nameless is right. We just have to say we're going on a picnic. And to make it stop, we just have to say we've changed our minds. No more picnic.
There's the end of the rainbow. And now, let's go see if the spell is finally broken.
Huh? My handbook was closed when I went to sleep. Who dared to come into my cave? Ha! There are the intruders! Blackwing Feather, fly on your own and turn Alex's friends into statues of stone.
That's funny. No one said anything about a picnic.
Okay, ready. Aim. Fire.
Good luck, dragon. So long. Let's get back to the harbor. The Cristoforo Colombo will be docking soon.
Here, where are you going, Nameless? Did you forget something?
Look, there they are. That's them. Come along, let's go home. I'm sure your cruise was very relaxing, but still you may be a little tired.
Tell me, Nameless, what did you go back to get at Marco Polo's house? Nothing. Oh, come now. I know you got something.
I hope you're not actually planning to use that.
Huh?